So we're going to draw a really basic game to see how they work. So when we have a two-player simultaneous game, two actions, we can write it in a 2x2 table like this. Okay, so one player is the row player, and they're going to choose the top row or the bottom row, and that's going to be me. So I'll put my name there. And then the other player is the column player, and they're going to choose the left or the right column, and that's going to be my friend Allison in this example game that we are going to go through. And in this game, well, Allison and I met when we both had young children and we both lived in Miami. And so according to this little story, we had a routine of meeting at the playground every Saturday morning, and the kids would play together and we would chat. So it was a fun play date. And the thing is that on this particular morning, it's getting to be time to go, and it's kind of raining. It's not pouring rain, but it's drizzling. It might clear up. So we both have to make a decision, and that is whether to go or not go. So my actions, two choices, go or don't go. And she has the same two choices. She can go or not go. So if we both go, we're going to put in, so there's four possible things that could happen. Both of us go, I go and she doesn't, and so on. And so we have payoffs for each outcome. And the payoffs for both of us going are 3 for me and 3 for her. So these payoffs are measured in utility. They can be measured in money. They could be measured in candy, whatever kind of units apply to the particular game. And the way we write them, by convention, we always write them this way, that we have the row player's payoff and then the column player's payoff. So sometimes you'll see that they will write it out a little bit more carefully, like they'll say 3 for Sarah, 3 for Allison. But if not, if we just see numbers right there, that first number is for the row player and that second number is for the column player. So if neither of us go, that's also fine because, we each did our own thing. Okay, both of us go, that's good because we met up and either the kids got to play, the weather was fine, or if it got worse, then maybe we went somewhere else together. Now, if I go and she doesn't, then that's bad for me because, my kids are really disappointed, we didn't get together. And it's also bad for her because she feels really bad that she stood us up. And we have the same payoffs here. So that is our basic game. This one is really simple. We're always in this class going to look at two-player games, two actions. But this one is even more simple than that because players have the same action and it's symmetrical with the same payoffs. Both players are getting the same payoffs from each combination of circumstances. We're going to look at more complicated games later, but this one is really basic and just, the idea is to be able to look at a table like this and understand, who the players are, what their choices are, and what the payoffs are for each player for each possible outcome. So in the next video, we'll analyze this game, but right now, the object is just to make sure you understand how to read it and how to write it, how to make a game to look like this, and how to understand a game when you see a table like this. So let me know if you have questions.